Hello YouTube, welcome to another unboxing experience review with me, Ost, the guy that makes 8-bit music. Today we are taking a look at the Razer Cynosa Chroma multicolored gaming keyboard. And it is a multicolored gaming keyboard. I guess it's RGB and stuff. And again, you may have seen my previous videos with the Razer stuff. They have pull tabs on the tape, which in theory is nice, but it's often like it doesn't work out. But this actually seems to be an okay thing. Like you basically find the pull tab, and then that in turn can mean that you can open it, but you gotta be able to find it first. Okay, so basically you rip the tape open. Ta-da! Here we have the keyboard, I think. Yep, all the innards there, just the empty box, because everything is removed. The cord is here. And there really isn't, there's your standard Razer thing on how to use the keyboard. So I guess this thing here comes, and here's the actual keyboard. It's pretty clickety-clackety. And then we shall see. There was something on the box that I wanted to talk about. They really want to signify that it's an RGB keyboard, because this, as you can see here, is the Cynosa is shiny and nice. Now, that is it for the experience, and I'm guessing that I'll have to give this an 8, because the pull tabs that they had for the tape, it actually worked really well, and then you can get into the box and it's no fuss. You don't have to rip open a bunch of stuff to get to the good, the actual keyboard. So 8 out of 10, well done Razer. And if you like 8-bit music, like I said in the beginning of the video, I do make that stuff, so I put a link in the video description. Check it out, like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, watch the video again. Thank you so much, see you next time, bye.